Dímelo mi gente, Marcucci here again, bringing another video. We're gonna be building a no-code game with Alchemist AI. It's a really dope idea and I hope you guys enjoy it. But before I start off the video, I want to say my thoughts and prayers to everyone in California, Palisades, where it may be, Malibu. My brother, mom, and stepdad live there right now. Currently, they're not being affected, but they know people that have been affected. So please keep them in your thoughts and prayers. And if there's any donation or anything that you guys can do, please make sure to help out. Anyways, we're gonna be building, like I said, an app with no code with Alchemist. And they say here, to begin crafting your apps, open the library by clicking the button, highlight it. This takes literally no time at all. And we're gonna be building the first application that they said, and it's a snake game. So we're gonna go into the laboratory. They say, hey, welcome to Alchemist AI. So we're gonna put in snake game, and we literally just click forge, and it's gonna be loading. And we're gonna stay here with me. I'll keep talking, yappering about everything until we kind of see it being built, and then we're gonna play it and see how it is. Anyways, the market is currently not doing so great. It's tanking, but not really. I mean, Bitcoin's still at 93k. One of the people I follow, Joe McCann, he currently has a hedge fund. I met him in Austin in Consensus. Really nice person, really cool, really great ideas. He says short term that we're going to be, his thoughts are that we're going to be going lower up until Trump's inauguration. He says like it doesn't surprise him if we go like lower than 90,000. It's short term though. He wouldn't be surprised if we dip down to 70,000 or 73,000, somewhere around there. Don't quote me on that. And then we shot up by the end of Q1 to 150,000. So he wouldn't be surprised about that at all. So yeah, do not worry about that. Another thing is, let me see what else I could talk about. I know AI agents have been dropping. Oh, here it is. So then you gotta double click it, and then you press start game, and then you can play the game. So yeah, let me know in the comment section how fast that was. I'm not gonna play this game up to the end, but yeah, let's do that. So yeah, look at how easy and fast that was. I don't even think that took like more than 2-3 minutes. But yeah, that's how easy and fast that was. Anyways, check it out. Library, create your own apps. It is completely free from what I've seen. So yeah, I am going to do a more in-depth video about this, like talk about tokenomics, what I found about the team, other stuff like that. But I just wanted to see and show you guys how to create a quick and easy app. This can play and deploy into their marketplace. So this is their marketplace, and they have, please connect wallet. My wallet is connected. Oh, there it is. So these are the apps, featured apps, and they have hundreds of thousands of apps from what I can see. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.